No, se nubló. Lindo, lindo. La luna. Vaya la luna.
I figured if Anna could do it, I could do it too. Anyway, are you almost done? Almost. I just have to get the rest of it off. What do you mean the rest of it? Well, you wouldn't want the magic finished, would you? There. All done.
Này đẹp
Now,
bóng này.
let me get the blindfold for you. And you look good as new. What does that mean? You look like a baby. Ah! I'm bald. Of course you're bald. You donated all your hair.
À Phong.
Girls are both so brave. Who do you think looks better bald? Vote in the comment and click the like button if you think they should grow their hair back.
Trẻ thứ ba nữa.
Aye, Antwi is the heir.
She said she'll trade our lives for your hair.
Ôi lúc trong xe đâu rồi nè.
I've got to talk to you.
Uh.
It's an emergency. Oh my gosh, Jane, what's wrong? It's your brother Tarzan. He's been captured by the Wingo tribe, and they won't let him go. The Wingo tribe? I've never heard of them. Where do they live?
I'll up there and cut you down.
Good job, Jack. Yeah, thanks. Ah, come on, Anna, stop goofing around. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm all right. Thanks for asking.
Come on, girls. It should be over here somewhere.
Got it, Jack. Right behind you.
Do you hear those beating drums? That's the Wingo tribe.
Yeah, we're getting close. And whoa! Elsa? Elsa? Ah! 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 Oh, that fall wasn't that bad. Yeah, Anna, that's because you fell on me. Oh, our secret weapon. We have a secret weapon? Yep, Jack Frost. Oh, here he comes now.
Oh, hi, Anna. Hi, Elsa. Ooh, yeah. Listener pray.
Jack, I'd like to introduce you to my brother Tarzan. And Tarzan, this is Jack.
Gee, thanks, Anna, but we've already met.
Jack, how are we going to get out of here?
Well, Elsa, luckily I speak Wingo lingo. Alohe, Anke-iwe oge.
Aye, Antwe, erde, erhe.
Good news. She said we can go. She just wants the hair.
What? She wants Tarzan's hair, but he's been growing it since he was a little kid. Let's go. No, Gladway. Come on, let's go. Okay. The end. No. Yeah, what turn? Go X. X go good. Do X go good. Ta phải nhớ cú, nhớ bắt tay cú luôn. Không, bắt tay. Ok, thì bắt tay nhớ cú, cú the X the cú, okay? X the cú. Now, that's my way. No. Who's light up first? That! Yeah, because the band's bigger. Wait, let me see who's bigger. Dad or the okay, of course we the dad, right? He has more hair. See, me.